Welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm here with Jessica, also known as the hot dog, the gothic hot dog. We're at work right now. Oh no. Okay, we're at work right now. You know what we're doing tonight? We're going bowling. Can you imagine? Goths going bowling. I've been bowling since I was like 5, 7. When was the last time you were bowling?
Maybe 10 years ago.
10 years ago? So we're probably going to be really awesome is what we're telling you. Also, I have never been bowling with these before, right? So yeah, so we'll see how that goes. We're going to pick up Brody. We're going to go bowling in our, well, I was going to say fancy ass. We're pretty casual. We dress pretty casual so that we don't split our tight pants open at the bowling alley. At least I hope. My pants are still pretty tight, but like, we'll see. So we'll see you there, kids. You better be rooting for us. Bowling shoes, bowling shoes. Look at my fancy bowling shoes. I'm thinking about getting a pair of these. Fuck the platforms. Brody, are you drinking like a classy bitch? They have wine at the bowling alley. I'm so excited. Drinking in the bowling alley is awesome. Oh, this wine is disgusting, but like, you know, wine. I wonder if I can... Hey, actually the nails fit in there.
So what is this thing?
Ready? No, I'm doing this. Ready? Okay. Right down the step. Hey, like I hit something. I hit something. That's all I want. Place your bets on me. I'm doing great. All right, Brody, what color are you picking? The orangey? Oh, look at you, you fancy bitch. Oh, look at this. Oh! Is that your bowling dance? You're not gonna use the same one twice?
Nope.
Heathen. You got this. You got this. No, no. Weenie, weenie. All right, go, go, go. That looks so good. Go, Jessica. Oh, so close. So close. All right, round 2. You got this.
I don't think I do.
May the power of Manson compel you. This video will answer the age-old question, can Goths bowl? The answer is no. Oh well, you still did good.
I hit something this
That, exactly.
Ah! Missy's up.
My lucky purple ball.
That's really close on your face.
Like this? You do like this. Close the ball. Close your ball. Close your ball.
For Christ's sakes, bowl.
Listen, serious. That's okay. I got one more. Oh, my first non-strike. Now they know I'm not really any good. Don't tell anyone. Hey, Jessica.
What?
Do you feel your wiener powers of bowling? Are you feeling them activating?
Powers. That's why they're wiener powers.
Oh, okay. Let's see this wiener power in action. Go, go, go! Oh, it's okay. I did that to you. I threw that off. Go, Brody!
Yeah, looks nice.
Oh! I'm helping him by drinking wine. Go, Brody! I cheer you on for my wine. Go!
Are you gonna try to bowl like a real person now?
Yeah, that purple ball betrayed me, so I'm gonna try yellow and I'm gonna try big girl bowling. I also have no idea how to big girl bowl. Okay, we watch her first. I got this. I got this.
Are you sure?
No, the answer is no. I took that. That's okay. That's okay. Bowling chest punch. High five. Yes, my face.
Last round.
Purple ball magic, don't fail me now.
bastard.
Oh no! You know there's more than one purple ball.
Go.
Oh! She's claimed her mark.
Oh!
Hey, that's not bad.
You see, don't underestimate the power of doing this. The air currents are a real thing. 79! Consider I'm bowled like 4,000 years. That's not bad.
You revealed your true age to the internet there.
Shut up! All right, Wiener, last round.
I don't got this.
You got this. I believe you got this. Go, go, go. You got it. Oh. Oh. One more. You stealing my purple balls?
Yeah.
Go, go, go. You got it. You got it. It's gonna hit something. Yay, you hit something. Hey, that's all we can ask for. Okay, what Jessica get? 40, that's pretty good. Can I see your pizza socks?
It's pizza and unicorns.
Pizza unicorn socks?
It's hard to see now.
Do they help you with your bowling?
Yep.
They're
Excellent.
lucky socks, right?
Obviously. Are you rolling your pants up? Oh, it's fucking serious. The look is getting better. Look at this, look at this. Go, Brody. Yeah, stretch important, okay? Last round, let's do this.
Serious time.
Oh, you got this. Hey, shit, maybe I should have rolled my pants up. All right, one more.
Waiting for my ball to come back.
Oh, you have to use the same one? All right, last one. Make it count. Okay. Oh, still pretty good. 67. Let the record reflect. Let the record reflect. Oh, I got second place. That's not bad. Brody got third. Weenie, you lose. You lose the worst. Wait. Ah, don't lick the camera. This is my second place celebratory wine. Also, if I had lost, this would be my loser wine, or my third place wine, or my winning wine. So, you know, either way. Wine plus bowling. Okay, so we did it. We went bowling. Not in this, obviously. It's the next day. My hair did not magically turn into Liberty Spikes at the bowling alley, although that would be a super fucking cool, like, gothy magic trick. But no, it is the next day. We were tired. It was dark. We said, fuck it. We'll record the outro tomorrow. So here we are. And I would like to say that someone made fun of my granny bowling skills, but I kicked her ass in both games. In both games. And the second game I won. I beat everybody we played with. So that was pretty great. But, like, you know what? Your weenie powers kicked in.
Not really.
They sort of
things.
kicked in, right? So, yeah, anyways, I had a fuck of a good time. I didn't think that I would. Brody wanted to do it, but, like, it was actually really, really fun. I would do it again. Probably not super often, but, like, maybe next time, blacklight bowling. Although I don't want anything white, so, like...
Sounds like a lot of effort to find.
Yeah, it's a lot of effort to find something that's going to glow in blacklight. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing us make idiots of ourselves at the bowling alley and cheering for us no matter if we hit something or not. It was super great. And if you did, if you could give this video a thumbs up, beep, 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 that would be amazing. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing. If you want to follow me on Instagram for outfit pictures, also Jessica's outfit, look how fabulous. Woo. I'm under Madame_Absinthe, and Jessica is?
The Jessica 27.
Excellent. If you want to follow me on Twitter, same thing, Madame_Absinthe for pictures of my makeup and also random shit that happens to me. And Jessica is?
The Jessica 27.
Look at that, like we know what we're fucking doing and shit. If you want to ring the bell, you can get notifications when we put up more videos. Maybe vlogs, maybe cooking, maybe sewing. Could be anything. Could be anything. You should ring the bell and find out. Just saying. And I think that's it, right? Yeah. Please like, subscribe, follow us on social media, ring the bell, and hopefully you'll be around for our next exciting bowling adventure.